Essential Live Broadcasting Techniques. Warmly hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore some essential live broadcasting techniques. These tips will help you engage your audience and make your live sessions more effective. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Optimize your screen setup. First, optimize your screen setup. Position your camera to ensure your product is clearly visible. Arrange the screen so that important information is easy to see and understand. Step 2. Engage through storytelling. Engage through storytelling. Describe the benefits and uses of your product with compelling stories. Use personal experiences or customer reviews to add authenticity and build trust. Step 3. Master communication skills. Master communication skills. Interact with your viewers and respond to their questions in real time. Reading their reactions and adding humor or emotion can keep the broadcast lively and engaging. Step 4. Manage your time effectively. Manage your time effectively. Make sure you cover all the products and emphasize key points within your allocated time. This keeps the broadcast dynamic and prevents viewers from tuning out. Handle problems professionally. Handle problems professionally. Stay calm if technical issues or unexpected situations arise. Have a backup plan ready, and your ability to manage these smoothly will maintain viewer trust. That's it for today's live broadcasting techniques. Use these tips to make your live sessions more engaging and professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, handle problems